Hello darlings, my name is Stephen Davies and I'm the knob by the hob.
So the next little summer aperitif or cocktail that I'm going to do, again very straightforward. I've actually, as I said, I've just come back from Provence down in the south of France, very famous for the lavender fields and everything there. And they do this amazing lavender liqueur, which is absolutely delicious with champagne. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of that in the glass. And then I'm going to top this up with Lanson champagne was actually on special offer in Tesco's, so especially the club card. Adam's got a club card, so he's in there topping us up. So I top that up with some champagne. Again in these the Urban Bar glasses that I mentioned to you earlier. Now I'm a terror for putting ice in everything, so I put a little bit of ice in here. I like it especially cold. And then a little sprig of lavender from my garden. Maybe the ice wasn't such a good thing. So there you have it, a little lavender cocktail, lavender champagne cocktail. Now Joe, you've got to try that because that is really, I think that's delicious cocktail.